Dono Excel now approximately going on 2 years. I'm not a coffee drinker. I was not a coffee drinker, so when you talk to me about coffee and being here, 2 years ago, I would have thought that's crazy. Fortunately, my wife is a huge coffee drinker. So I'm going to tell, I don't know how much time you want to take. I'll take a couple minutes if you like. The way I came to Dono Excel is I was in real estate. And I'm also an investor. I was in the stock market. I was doing okay. And I was doing a talk. I was sharing 2 years ago in August when this opportunity was presented to me by accident, not by accident, but to me, I was not aware that I was going to be presented at my own meeting. I was doing a real estate talk. 2 years ago, you cannot buy real estate for yourself. You cannot have a realtor represent you because there was a lot of people like myself and other people who were buying homes cash. A lot of people in the area where I'm at, which is the Inland Empire, the owner of Cardenas, the owner of Pancho Villa, some of these guys who have millions of dollars, they were buying homes cash. So me as a real estate agent, I had people always asking me to help them buy a home. They had 20% down, $30,000, $40,000, and I was spinning my wheels. I was trying to find them homes, but every time I put in a bid, I was getting outbid by the people with cash. So I came up with an idea, and that idea was, why don't I get a room of people, have them give me their $20,000, $30,000, minimum 10, have them give me their money, put it together, and we can go out and buy homes cash. It was a phenomenal idea. And I had about 50 people that day. That day, I also had some guy come and tell me, this is at the Sheraton Hotel in Rancho Cucamonga, next to the Victoria Gardens, for those who are familiar with that area. But that day, I also had someone come to me and ask me if he could bring some coffee for my guests. I was going to pay $28 for the carafe. And so the first thing I thought as a businessman is, save me that $28. So immediately I canceled the $28 service from the hotel, and this gentleman brought me coffee. After me doing a 2.5-hour presentation on a PowerPoint presentation, how we could put our monies together and together buy homes cash, this gentleman named Michael Acurso, he gave a presentation about the coffee. He asked me for about 10 minutes. I didn't realize he was going to talk about network marketing, but since he brought coffee for my guests, I felt it was my obligation to allow him. So he shared a testimony, and it was a testimony that was hard for me to believe. He talked about how he was in this depression, and how by drinking the Tomcat Elite, it took him out of depression really quickly, this testimony. He was talking about how he being from Missouri, he went to visit his father, and while he was in front of his father in Missouri, his father had a heart attack. And he tried to give him CPR, he tried to give him mouth to mouth, and his father died in his arms. And he went into this hole, he went into this depression. And he's telling this story as I'm there, as he's speaking to my 50 investors at this hotel, and I'm thinking, wow, is this true? Can it really be true? He drank the Tomcat Elite. He drank this here. And by drinking this, someone sharing this with him, he came out of this depression. He had this chronic depression. He was in a hole. And back then, my wife was going through some chronic illnesses. And I was thinking, wow, I wonder if this can help her. I wonder if this can help. And it was hard for me to believe all these things that I was hearing. But when you know people who have chronic problems, you want to believe. If they tell you try this, you want to believe. I was just told by a friend of mine who has his brother-in-law has cancer, and he was told by his doctor, you got 6 months of life. If they tell you to drink this, try that, or try this, you better try it all, because you got nothing to lose. And when you live with someone who has chronic problems, you kind of want to try everything and anything. So I thought, well, you know what? I don't believe anything I'm hearing, but what if it's true? What's one more thing I can offer my wife? My mother has diabetes, my father-in-law has diabetes, cholesterol, high blood pressure. Why not? As I saw what the product was doing for my family, and I was able to capture, me as a businessman, I was able to capture, I was thinking, coffee, wow, this is network marketing. I asked him, is this network marketing? He said, yes. I said, wow, coffee. job, she used to go visit doctors and nurses. And it's really hard for you to go and talk to them about your drugs or your products to a doctor because they have gatekeepers. But if you show up with some Starbucks coffee, they open the door just a little bit easier. So they gave her, she had a business credit card in which she would use it and she would buy Starbucks and she'd show up for one for the nurse, one for the doctor, and she'd usually have one for herself. And she would go to different offices, so she was having 4 or 5 Starbucks a day. You know, and what does that mean? $3, $4, $5, that's $15, $16 a day. When my wife had our 4th child, she chose not to go back to school. So she had to give back her credit card. She gave it back to the credit card company. What she did not give back, when she gave back that American Express, was the addiction to coffee. So even though she was no longer using their credit card, she was still going to Starbucks. And it was costing us $14, $15 a day. You know, and she was happy to do it behind my back because I was getting on her. I was saying, hey, we have 4 kids, we got to cut back, we don't want to spend that kind of money at Starbucks. So she was having to do it secretly. You know? So when he said to me 53 cents, pesticide-free, not organic sometimes, that's what we'll be correct, pesticide-free, I said, well, the worst thing that can happen is she's going to drink the coffee that's pesticide-free. Whether it helps her or not, I don't know. Hopefully it will. And it's only 53 cents. So we're going to cut back on that $15 a day addiction, $12, $13, $14 addiction. So I thought, you know what, give this a try. I'll tell you what. My wife is here. She can tell you how she feels every day of her health. I can tell you how I feel 2 years later. A lot of the people in owning a coffee shop, we've helped over 2,000 people. I hear the testimonies every day. Every day. So I know what this coffee does as far as the energy and so forth. Some people can say, I know what it does. So it's just a matter of me and all of you guys. Put this in your brain. I did a little bit of research, and I realized that for a network marketing company, for them to have success, they really got to have 3 things. In my opinion, this is my personal opinion. Number 1, write this down. I know James can attest to it. Number 1, it's got to be a product that is highly consumable. There's a lot of good products out there. Mary Kay. Talk to women, they'll say Mary Kay's a good product. Talk to men. All right, no. Is there anything for men? I think there is now. Someone's corrected. So it's Mary Kay is 50% of the people. Coffee is a massive consumption, man. We Hispanics, we drink a lot of coffee. For those of you who don't drink, we have hot chocolate and tea. So we already have a product that's highly consumable. Man, that is a great thing. Get that word out to the people. It's coffee, hot chocolate, or tea. Number 2, the product has to do something for you, for people to want to continue to do this. So if we say to you it's going to give you energy, if we tell you you're going to feel good, and we tell you your personal testimonies, my father-in-law, diabetes, cholesterol, high blood pressure, if he goes and tells people, hey, this is what it did for me, if I tell you I lost 28 pounds, then it better do that. And if it does, man, you got something good. That's number 2. So the product has to be effective. You might want to label it as it being effective. And number 3, there's a lot of products that are effective. There's a lot of products that are highly consumable. Number 3, it's got to be economical. In these hard times, not too many people are willing to pay $36 for a juice. But if I ask you to spend a lot less than Starbucks, if I ask you to spend 56 cents on a cup of coffee that's pesticide-free and it's going to do something for you, there's a lot of people who are going to give this an opportunity. And if you take all those 3 things, you've got a great company. Now, I know there's someone out there, I know you just came back from Dallas, there's someone out there who has something comparable to what we've got. They've got coffee, and they got a good price. Is it effective? That's where I think they're failing. That's where we have an opportunity. Our product has all 3. Coffee, highly consumable. It's effective. You're going to feel different. Clap if Donna Darren Lucina, if your coffee with this herb has made a difference in your life or someone you know. And we know it's effective, and we know 56 cents is within the reach of many of us, which is what the cost of our life. I just want to conclude with this. Thank you for the opportunity, James. I'm a businessman. So when I see an opportunity, I grab it and I hold on to it. And that's what I did here. I'm no longer flipping homes. I'm no longer in the stock market. I this business. Why? For the three reasons I just gave you. We are just beginning. There's going to be a day when this place is going to be, and it already is, but it doesn't matter what day of the week. It's going to be so packed. We're going to need bigger buildings, bigger places. We're going to be trailers to deliver to our coffee shops, as it is right now. We're taking a lot of product. So we're in the beginning of a great opportunity in a down economy. We're in a down economy. Imagine if James is already doing well, some of you guys are doing well, if I'm already doing well, and we're in a down economy, can you imagine as the economy, which it already is, as it starts picking up, man, we're at the right place, the right time, the right company. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Well, he cannot leave. This is royalty right here. Everybody, we need to give Mr. Cardenas a Boss Mode round of applause. On three, ready? 1, 2, 3.